Well, hope you had a wonderful week. We have plenty of sunshine, temperatures close to 100 each afternoon since Monday, and we're seeing clear conditions, some haze out there as well as you get Friday night plans started. Temperature wise, we're at 89 already, which is always good to see. Feels like 94 when you factor in the dew point around 70. Also some solace east-southeast winds moving at about 22 miles an hour. So nice breeze as you get your evening started. Meanwhile, temperatures lower 90s, upper 80s near the coast, 87 in Rockport, a few degrees warmer in Beeville. And it's all thanks to a lot of sunshine. Today was mostly clear. The only rain that was out there was farther southeast in the western Gulf. This is nothing, formally a tropical system. This is just a lot of moisture out east, which is helping generate some showers and storms, but well far removed from our area. Tomorrow's forecast, 92, morning low at 72. So tomorrow morning, very pleasant out there. 74 tomorrow into Sunday morning, and then 90 on Sunday. But notice how things start to really trend upward with respect to rain chances. Scattered showers on Sunday. And on Monday, I'm really honing in on at least the better chance and coverage on some tropical downpours as we start early next week. Now, let's show you how rain chances look over the next 4 days. Sunday scattered. Monday, it really jumps up, and that's thanks to what's happening in the Gulf of Mexico. There is a tropical wave out there, and it's in the southwestern Caribbean Sea near Belize, south of the Yucatan. And as it travels over land, over tonight, tomorrow as well, it'll stay relatively weak. It's not until it emerges into the Gulf and the Western Gulf where it will enter a slightly more conducive and favorable environment. From there, it could take on the name either Nicholas or Odette, and that's only because there's another tropical wave in the Atlantic that's battling for the name Nicholas right now. So let's show you what it looks like. Nothing impressive. There's just an area of showers and storms near Guatemala that are moving northwest, and this area of shower and storm activity will enter the Gulf, and again, a better environment where it could strengthen and intensify as early as Sunday. Now, getting a lot of questions. Where is this system going to go? There's a ridge of high pressure over us right now. If this were to play out on Sunday and Monday, this would keep the system farther south and over Mexico. But watch what happens into Saturday and Sunday. It slides farther eastward and extends its reach over the eastern coast in Florida and Louisiana. And remember, around high pressure, it spins clockwise. That's what the winds do around ridges of high pressure. And this will eventually help tug on it and push it towards the Texas coast. Now, question number two, how strong is this going to get? Now, remember, wind shear is the increase in wind speed with height. And when there's a lot of wind shear over the water and a tropical system enters that environment, that usually tears it apart. So the more wind shear there is, the more likely it won't strengthen or at least rapidly intensify. So by Sunday and Monday, there will be a sheared environment in the Gulf of Mexico, which bottom line should keep it relatively disorganized. Could it strengthen into a tropical depression or a storm? Yeah, but in terms of hurricane strength, I don't think that's what we're looking at. So let's time it out for you. Sunday night is when things start to really go downhill, scattered showers, a few storms. On Monday is when I'm pinpointing when the heavy rain is going to start. Monday afternoon around lunchtime through about 5 and 6 and 7 p.m. This low will be offshore, and on that northeastern side is when we're going to get a lot of heavy downpours that move into the coastal bend. And then notice by Tuesday, this system moves out quickly towards Houston, which will shift the flooding threat farther northeast away from us. So that's the good news. It's not going to be a slow mover. It's going to be fast. 4 to 7 inches of rain to the northeast for rainfall totals. On average, if you are farther west, you'll receive less rain. The closer you are to the coast, you'll see more rain, and on average 2 to 4 with a few isolated pockets that could certainly see upwards of 5 to 6 inches of rain. So the good news in the 7-day forecast, it's between Sunday and Tuesday. Flooding threat primarily on Monday, high temperatures upper 80s, near 91 on Wednesday. We start to trend down on the rain coverage by Tuesday night, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So have the umbrella handy, guys, and be careful when you're driving out on Monday as you head out to work, because there will be rain and storms around with cooler temperatures in the middle to upper 80s. Mike.
All right, Ryan, thank you so much.